is my New Year quote, and I think it's nice.
Yeah, he did the beard too.
I'm confident of myself.
Yeah, K-Brights, good haircuts. Show me the back. This is sweet. So they painted the room, and they even take out the window. And here, it's how it is. It's how it looks like now. Up. I made sweet potato in the oven. Hi guys, so today we're going to try to make cookies, American cookies. I'm going to put the link down below of the video that I watched to try this. And here's all of the ingredients. So we're going to make the sugar and the butter like a little bit more, not hard. And we mix it with like hard pressure with the electronic, I don't know how it's called. Oh my god! A little bit of salt and the vanilla sugar. We're going to add the 2 eggs, mix a little bit like this, the paste is more liquid, and then we add the flour and we add also this one, baking powder. After that we add the chocolate chip. Like me, I'm going to cut some part of like chocolate tablet. It's going to work as well. Right now that we waited an hour, we're going to cut in small pieces and then we're going to put it on the oven for 10 to 12 minutes.
Yeah. This is the rap game, man. Rap battle for it, man. Okay. I wanna feel you now. Yeah.
You couldn't write, but you never write. You think you're smart, but I'm smarter than you.
He's so whack, man. He's so whack, man. Okay. Get this. See your face like facing. Your nose Like nothing. Your mouth? Like mouth. Yeah. I'm so hard when it comes to rap. This is my style of rap. I make you laugh when I try your fun. Talking nonsense, I don't even know what I'm talking about.
And that's a fact.
If you feel the rap, then you feel the rap.
Hey, hey,
Ah,
hey. This is stupid rapping.
this is stupid rapping. Yeah, this is the beef game, right? Rap battle, you know what I'm saying?
Your name is Kevin Bright, but you're not a light. It means you dumb, like Dumbo.
Yeah, I'm going to fry this lady, man. I'm gonna put you in a position, man. You know what I'm saying? Come on, helping me. When you're talking about rap, lady like you are trash. When you're talking about trash, thinking about trash, I think just like, do you like, Yeah, that's it.
That's all. Bye.